guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to make this DIY 18-inch model sized raft and little oar, so yeah. By the way, I made this raft for a photography contest that I'm in, so here's the photo that I actually ended up getting. Now, believe it or not, I accidentally deleted all the footage of me making this raft, which really stinks, and yes, I know, I'm an actual idiot, but still, I wanted to make a tutorial of this raft, so, yes. Also, please, keep in mind that I made this raft on a very tight schedule, so I would say this is a quick craft, so, here we go. Okay, so here are the things that I used to make my raft. Cardboard, a much bigger piece than this one. This yellow tablecloth that I got from the Dollar Tree that I barely have any left of. This foam insulator from Home Depot, but I recommend using a pool noodle in the color yellow, but I just used this insulator because I had it lying around. Some clear Scotch tape, black duct tape, hot glue gun with hot glue in it, 2 sheets of white computer paper, scissors, and a pencil. This pencil is special because it has a face. First, cut a rectangle out of your cardboard that's big enough for your model to sit on. Wait, here we go. Second, round the cardboard rectangle's corners with a pencil, then cut it off. Make sure after you round the corners that your model can still sit comfortably on it. Grab your 2 sheets of paper, place them on the cardboard like this, and glue them on. Once they're on, cut around the cardboard to make the paper flush with the cardboard edge. Then cut a piece of your tablecloth a little bigger than your cardboard piece. And I know it's really thin, and on my bigger raft I doubled up the layers, so that's why it's not so thin. Now on the white side of your cardboard, place your tablecloth on it, turn it around, and then I'm just going to tape it around the edges of my cardboard using Scotch tape. And I'm just leaving the bottom unfinished. I did the same thing on my bigger raft. Now, grab your pool noodle or foam insulator thing, whatever, and here I just have a smaller version of it. Just go ahead and wrap the tablecloth around it like so, and you can easily just secure the tablecloth in place with some clear Scotch tape. So we're now going to take our little tube thing and wrap it around our cardboard thing, and here's the tip: start and end the little tube thing at the top right here. Then we're just hot gluing that little piece on. Didn't have my tube quite long enough, but that's okay. Alright, so just grabbing our black duct tape and putting it on at the top right here, and that's why I said start and end the tube right here, because now we can easily just cover it up. Ra-ta-ta-ta. I added another piece at the bottom and 2 pieces on both sides. And for the oar, I just got this bamboo skewer, painted it black, and then glued on these black foam pieces that are like shaped like a paddle thingy, and made some indents in the foam with a pencil, and yeah, this was super easy to make. Yeah. Alright guys, that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, even though I deleted my footage making the actual big raft, but I still think it turned out super cute, and let me know what you think about it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, because I love talking to you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share this channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.